Hi. Hi. So, okay. I'm gonna start you guys off with a banger. What do sprinters eat before they run a race? Yeah, you. In the front, right there. Yeah, I suppose something with carbs like rice and bread. That would give them energy to do a race. I think. Yeah, that was a good one. No, they don't eat anything. They fast. Yeah, they fast. Okay, what do you call a belt made out of watches? A waste of time. I get it, cause like a waist like 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 a waist like you know at where a belt goes around and like watch it and like time like what watches. You get it, right? These jokes are hardly hilarious. Shut up. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And for our next contestant, Lil Diddy Money. He's a world class comedian. $10 extra to see him. I know y'all want to. Let's go. Oh, my sweet mama. Fart. Poopy. Okay, I'm done.